it seems like every successful YouTuber has coffee in their video. So here I am with my Batman mug I got from Six Flags. And yeah, so what's up everybody, my name is Rocky. I am a photographer in Dallas, Texas. Welcome back to my video. If you're new, welcome. Please consider subscribing. Today we're just gonna try to edit this picture right here into this picture right here. And yeah, if you interested, stick along, tag along, watch it till the end. Like, comment, share, whatever you want to do. So let's get into this video right now. So this is the picture we're gonna be working with. And let's see. This is the picture we're gonna try to get to. So let's go ahead and reset everything. Reset, go back, okay. This is the picture we're gonna try to get on. This. Pretty much that's the picture we're gonna try to get to. Okay, got it, let's go. Basic, I guess we can start on basic a little bit. Just do a little, something like that, just something basic-ish a little bit. Then come to calibration. Calibration always helps. If you wanna achieve a certain look to your photos, calibration is always gonna help you. And this is only available in Photoshop CC. So yeah, but man, how was yours day? My day was crazy. I was tired a lot, really tired, but it was okay. Y'all probably don't even care, but so far, look at this, look at that. So that's just barely touching. Look, if I turn off calibration, that's what we have with calibration on. Crazy, and I've only touched up, barely touched it. So this is why I like calibration. Calibration is always really nice, you know what I'm saying? There we go, and then we can come to the shadows a little bit. I kind of want to give it that teal type look. And so far, do I have a, oh, okay. So far that's it, before and after. Already a big difference, you know what I'm saying? Now we can come up to basic, continue working up there, kind of touch up the temperature if you want to, the white balance if you want to. That looks okay to me, and then I can kind of, I don't want that and I don't want that. So we could just find a good middle ground, like you're supposed to find a good middle ground and everything. Just gonna try to find it. And that right there looks good to me. Hold on. That right there looks good to me. And so far, this is before and after. Already a major difference. Come down to, I don't really touch exposure because this is already perfectly lit. So let's just set that down. Highlights. There really isn't that much highlights, but I'll just bring it down a tad bit. Shadows, no need to bring it too up, so that was good. And black, whites. Let's bring it down a little bit, just a tad bit. Just a tad bit, because the car is white and I don't want to do too much of that. And blacks, I'll keep the blacks right there. And then I come to texture. You see these raindrops? I want to make it look more pronounced, more out there. So I'll just come to texture and just turn it up a lot more. And you can pretty much see this. I can even put it to 100. Just look around, see if it's affecting anything. No, it's not. It is affecting something, but not something too drastic. And then clarity, we can, yeah. Then now comes vibrance. You can just touch up the vibrance a little bit. There we go, just a tad bit. So look at the background too. Don't just look at one spot. And then saturation. Again, I'm trying to go for that classic type look. So, see if I can bring on the saturation a little bit. And then yeah, that's it so far. It looks okay. Looks pretty. I got a message, ding. But it looks pretty good. So we'll just go ahead and close this down. Close that down. Tone curve. Everybody's favorite part. I like to do a basic tone curve, so I'll just lift those shadows a little bit and then kind of bring down those highlights just a tad bit, not too much though. And then to give it that whatever it's called look, I'll just bring this one up a little bit. And so far, that's before and after. You can already see a major difference in just like what? This has been like what, 2 minutes of editing this? So yeah, I'll do that. I mean, that's already good. I don't really like touching up on these colors because look, I don't really touch it up that much on my photos. So we can come to green a little bit. I just like to play around with this lighter, see what it does, because it's always gonna do something. Trust me, it's always gonna do something. Even if you don't, just trust me, it's always gonna do something. Like you see right here, even if it looks blue, it's kind of changing. Okay, still this part is still blue, but the glass is changing. The glass is changing. So I didn't mean to do that. Just bring it up a tad bit. That's the grains. It didn't really change much in the back. I don't know why, but I think no, that's good. Like it's more like on the yellower side, I think. Or yeah, it's more on the yellow side. I thought I was colorblind for a second, but again, I'm going for that. I don't know if I said this, but I'm kind of going for that sunset 70s type look. Good look. This is the Corvette. It's a classic Corvette, so why not give it that look? You know what I'm saying? 70s, 60s type look. And oranges. I'll bring that down a little bit. Corvette. And then this is what we got so far. What else do I need to touch up on? I want the blues to become aqua. See that? So I just all the way to aqua because that's the color I want. You might say, oh, he's over editing this picture. So what? It's something I want to do this. So before and after, guys, so far that's it. There really isn't much I really need to touch up on. I can come to aqua a little bit, bring this one up a little bit. Just do y'all know who North Borders is? Like a photographer from Australia. And I'll bring us some sharpening a little bit. That's it. And then I like to kind of make sure it's pretty straight. I don't like doing too much with that, so I just put on auto. And then effects. There's really just a tad bit to kind of bring that focus towards the middle a little bit. And then for it, I like to crop it 4x5. This could look too much space. So we're gonna bring it down a little bit. Well, no, okay. There we go. And then car. Wow. Just gotta stop and look at your work. Just tell yourself. But like so far, that's it. It's not like the. Let's see. If you look over here, it's not like the. If I can find it. It's not the same. It's not the same, but it's pretty close. I can kind of bring down those white. I can fix these whites a little bit. because it is pretty yellow. But I mean, for like a what, 10-minute edit? Okay, it's been way less than 10 minutes. It has been way less than 10 minutes, but this is what we have, and I like it. I like it. You can go ahead, export it, whatever you want to do. These pictures should be up on this week. It should be up this week. So y'all follow me on Instagram for that. If you like this video, like it, please. Smash the like button if you want to. Gently tap it. Just like it. It really helps. Comment if you want to. It really helps. And if you're new, just subscribe. It really helps. And just thank you for watching. Tune in next time to, I don't know. Peace.